Oh, hang on. We're going to start that over because I forgot to mute my machine. Okay. We'll have to do a blooper reel like the last week of the year, Courtney. I think that's the time to release it all. All right, we're doing this once more with feeling because I have already filmed this tutorial once. And I forgot to turn on the overhead camera and the audio got messed up, so we're having a day. I think I'm ready now. Can you see the desk? I guess you can see the desk. All right, who designed Josie Jean? I probably need to know that information. I gotta find it. I'll be right back.
Mom?
Yep.
No.
I'm gonna do one more back and forth, then we're gonna go.
Can I try?
Not on this quilt, but when you do your quilt, you can try.
Okay.
And that they did. So in some cases, so if you got an A bundle, you're gonna wanna get an A finishing kit, and we will know to send you the, oh, well, you got the wrong thing. Where are my instructions at? Maybe not. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. I'm just losing my mind. We're good. Okay, that's better. Someday you're gonna have a blooper of me falling down when I miss the chair. It's gonna happen. Now I've got about the biggest size button that my foot will allow, which means that it might just be, oop, the button goes flying. Oh shoot, I need just one more. Let's do that. How did we forget about you? I'm starting to smell funny. Probably not good. So when I get to this point where I pressed everything open, I like to give everything a spritz with my spray mister. It's like stuck on. What happened here? Like we need a new one. We have dropped it too many times. Just so you know, we do have kits available for this, and we just did a video. And just so you guys know, we do have kits available. I have not been doing audio for any of that. You don't have to be a subscriber to make the quilt or the pattern. You can purchase the pattern separately on our website. What the we decided to call it? Ultraviolet. The pattern is called Ultraviolet, and you can sign up and learn more over at Lordy Almighty. Hello and love. Well, I can see Adam behind me. It's stormy. We're just gonna move this camera temporarily.